Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload YouTube shorts from your PC. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open YouTube, and then you need to click on your channel icon in the top right, and here you can see YouTube Studio, your channel, and here you simply need to click on create button and click on upload video. And once you click on that, you simply need to click on select files, and you need to select a short video. So I'm going to select a random video for an example. So this video, for example, and now as you can see that you simply need to add title here and upload thumbnail if you want, but no one upload thumbnail on the shorts. And then if you want, you can monetize your shorts and click on add suitability, click on none, click on submit rating, click on next, add elements. Now it is checking, then you need to click on next, and if you want, you can publish the video and publish that and if you want, you can schedule the video according to the desired date. So this is the process by which you can upload YouTube shorts from your PC. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.